Everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Spotify Premium and get a refund. So you can use any app browser you want. You can't use the website. You have to use Chrome or any other web browser. Once you click on that, you search Spotify account. As you can see, I've searched that before. You click on the login section. I've already logged into my account, that's why. So you just click on log account overview. Normally you're supposed to log in by yourself. So when you do that, you click on account overview. As you can see, I'm not a Spotify Premium. I'm actually using Spotify Free, but it doesn't matter. Just click on Manage Your Subscription. As it is, you're using Spotify Premium, you should see an option to cancel Spotify Premium. So once you click on that, you confirm. Then your account will be switched to the free version at the end of your billing cycle. Now, for getting the refund, Spotify generally does not offer refunds once the premium payment is processed, unless required by law, or you cancel soon after subscribing. So for that, just visit Spotify support page. Since you're already there, just scroll down to support. Once you scroll down to support, you will be redirected to the message me section. It depends. I was redirected to message me section. Why? You might have to go through it manually, but I was redirected. So I just need to politely explain my situation and request a refund. But please note, refunds are generally very rare, and you can only get a refund if you just subscribe to it and cancel it, and you want to cancel it immediately. Like you just subscribed today, you want to cancel it today, then you can get a refund. Or if Spotify themselves mistakenly debited you and you didn't click on that by yourself, there's a chance of you getting a refund. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.